Let me explain what I've done so far. I took a standard 2x4 that I ripped down to 2 inches wide. That gets screwed into the wall studs, and that's going to support the back of the vanity. And I did joint the top edges of the 2x4. That way the desk, or the top part of this, will sit flat onto that. I also scribed both corners, this wall and this one, and then I cut that out using the Ridgid Octane Jigsaw. I am still going to fill this small gap that's on both corners with some caulking, and that should look seamless. Another change that I'm doing now is I'm going to extend this out another 3 inches and 1/8. That will be perfectly at 51 inches. That way it should meet right around here. Now for this build, since I did cut this short so that I don't have to worry about cutting the trim out of the back of this, because this is going to be the bottom part of the cabinet. So I cut the back part of it just shy, so that way the trim sits right onto this edge, the wall trim. So I have to make sure that when I glue it up to the side panels, that the flush, or the front part of it is flush and not the back part of it. So make sure you do that. Hey everyone, this corner vanity build, I tried to keep the cost down by opting to not go with any drawer slides as well as drawer handles except the one for the long vertical drawer. For the other ones I kind of wanted to try the notch out for the drawer face, as well as to do the flocking for the inside of the drawers. I saw a couple of YouTube videos of the flocking and I really liked the way they looked, so that's why I opted to go with the flocking on the inside of the drawers rather than having some kind of material and gluing it in or whatnot. I do plan on making wall-mounted shelves as well as a lighted vanity mirror. I'm not going to be doing any videos on either of those two, but I will be posting up pictures as I complete them and more like progress pics and whatnot on my Instagram. So if you haven't already, if you can please follow me there at X3 Workshop Designs. I'm also on Facebook at X3 Workshop Designs as well. So thank you again. If you haven't, please subscribe, like the video. You can comment if you have any questions. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Thank you again so much for watching, and see you guys 2019.